So good, welcome back to class. Do you know any Indians, any Indian religious who have donated their organs? Do you know any Indian religious people, fathers, sisters, bishops or cardinals who have, if they have donated some organs? Do you know any of them? Jesuit? Okay. Yeah, there are many, and I have listed a few of them. No, we could see who are they. Now, can you see the picture? And the title? Good. He is Father Davies Chiramil. I don't know if you know Father Davies Chiramil. No. So Kerala priest, selfless act of organ donation inspires 15 priests to follow suit. It is also interesting to note that most of the organ recipients are not Christians, though the donor is priest. Okay, as I took from the what you call the Times Minute is what you call this online paper. Okay, it says that Kerala priest is selfless in his what you call act of organ donating. It is also interesting that most of the organ recipients, those who receive the organs, they are not Christians. They are Muslims or Hindus, but the donor is and priest. And a priest. He is Father Davies. Is Father Davies. Father Davies Chiramil. Okay, popularly known as the kidney priest. Okay, he is named as kidney priest. He is an Indian Catholic priest and the founder of ACTS. Acts of the Apostles, what? ACTS. Accident Care Transport Service. Okay? Accident Care Transport Service. Okay? Accident Care Transport Service. And he's also in charge of the Kidney Federation. Sorry. That you have to edit it. Okay, just pause. Yeah, he is Father Davies Chiramil. Popularly known as the kidney priest. Okay, he is known as kidney priest. He is an Indian Catholic priest and the founder of the Accident Care Transport Service (ACTS) and the Kidney Federation of India. Father Davies Chiramil has been singularly responsible for 500,000 of people in India pledging their kidneys for donation post-mortem. He himself donated a kidney to a man of Hindu faith. Okay, he has been asking thousands of people to donate their organs in order to save someone's life. He doesn't see whether you are Hindu, you are a Muslim, or you are Catholic, or a Pentecost. No, you want to save other human person. He sees human being as humans. Not as that doesn't consider in the category of gender, which religion, which culture, which language, which ethnic group you come from. No, it's a wonderful example. Father Davies Chiramil, Father Davies Chiramil, a priest from Kerala, who donated his organ to a Hindu man. It's a beautiful example that we have to learn from him. Now, there is also another bishop. Somebody could read?
This bishop in India is donating his kidney to save the Hindu life.
Okay. This is a CNA. I took from CNA News or CNA, what you call online paper. Is a very famous Catholic news agency. They give only the reliable and know what is true. They don't simply post whatever they want. No, fake news or limited news, they don't do it. They do it only when it is sure, when it is true. Okay, so Catholic news agency also could browse in Google a lot of issues, around the world of the Catholic Church and other religion, everything connected with. So they say this bishop in India is donating his kidney to save a Hindu life. Okay, now who is he? As it is reported, I read, is June 1, 2016. Pala is another what you call place in Kerala. Okay, Pala. A Syro-Malabar Catholic bishop from the southern Indian state of Kerala has a special way to celebrate the Year of Mercy. In 2016 happened to be the Year of Mercy. So he is donating his kidney to save a Hindu man battling for his life. He says, the bishop says, I have no anxiety about the surgery. Some are, when I say I want to donate, I am afraid how they are going to cut my body and take the organ, how they are going to stitch it back. Will it be, will it be okay? Will I be normal, or will I have any side effects? Will I function as I was functioning earlier? These are the worries. Suppose anyone who wants to donate his organ. This priest, this bishop, he says, I have no worry, no anxiety about the surgery. Okay, and it's only a simple sacrifice for a fellow being. So this one is simple sacrifice that I am giving one of my organ to another man. Says Bishop Jacob, American, 52 years old. He told to CNA News, Catholic News Agency. He is an auxiliary bishop of the Syro-Malabar Diocese of Palai. Okay, he will donate his kidney to save 30-year-old Suraj Sudhakaran, the man, Hindu man, whom he is going to help, or whom he helped in the year 2016. His name is Suraj Sudhakaran. The young man is from Kottakkal, another city in Kerala, about 120 miles northwest of Palai. Okay, they are not from same. Neither he is no Catholic. He happened to be a Muslim. He happened to be a Hindu, and 30 years old. And the bishop is 52. See the matching, matching of the organ. Of course, it has to compatible with the, with the blood relation and what you call size. Everything matters. So this is another bishop, beautiful example. Is giving to all the Catholics, to all the people, in spite of race and caste and creed that we have in India. He has come out voluntarily, not to help his own religion, not his own diocese, his own Catholic, but 120 kilometers away from his hometown, and happened to be a 30-year-old Hindu. So you have to really appreciate, admire, learn from, for Catholic people, bishops and priests. Now I also have another famous man. Do you know him? This is Reverend Father Jerry Rosario, Jesuit. He is a visiting professor to Vijnanalayam. Okay, it is there in your calendar. Associate professors. His name is there. Reverend Father Jerry Rosario. I am happy and lucky, proud to say he was there once in my village, in my parish, to do his Christmas ministry. In 90s, and he is also known as a barefoot walker missionary. He goes with barefoot. He doesn't wear chapel, and he wears what you call. He has got only the minimum collection of. He wears mostly the jibba, and doesn't have money. He uses and what you call. He uses and he washes again, reuses. He doesn't go for buying new things or modern dress, jeans or what you call, whatever we go and buy every year. Every year for my birthday I buy one, for Christmas I buy one. Another feast or another gift. Keep on adding. Many shirts and pants. Whereas this missionary from Jesuit, Father Jerry Rosario, is a barefoot missionary. Also, he manages with what he has. The minimum dress collection of dresses that he has. Then Father Rosario stands second in India for the number of times he has given blood 4 times a year. Okay, he stands number 2. Number second in India, the man who donated more times, very frequently, often to the people. So per year we can donate only 4 times. Okay, after donating, you got to wait for 3 months. Without what you call the particular gap, you can't go for. Although you have blood, you can't go and repeat in 3 months. No, we have to wait for 3 months to be completed. Again, you go for second. Then wait for 3 months. So in a year we can donate 4 times, and he has donated 4 times, no, for 40 years. So 40 into 4, how much? 160 times he has given his, see the amount of blood. Now each time when you know how much they take, 250 ml, I don't know, even less than that, 250 ml, depends, no. I think I also gave my first time in Spain. I mean, it took me, it was the first time I was a bit nervous, no. I was thinking myself, I'm a lean man, no, I don't got blood, no, how could I give my blood? I mean, I made a trial and it was good, successful. Only thing is that I was feeling a bit giddiness, no. After giving, immediately I got up, no. And then I was feeling, roundabout. Then the nurse caught me, no, wait, father, take a rest for a while. Immediately, they served me a juice, apple juice. I was okay. After half an hour, I was okay. I was normal. But then again, you have to eat good food. Again, you have to generate the blood in the body, so that it can give more time. So this missionary, Jesuit priest Jerry Rosario, has given 160 times. How many times you have given, Bala? 1 time. Ravi? 8 times so far. It's good, good number. 1 time. Yeah, good. There are many 2 times. There are many hospitals and medical colleges. They come as a blood donation. They come by bus. They collect the blood from the colleges, from the schools, and okay. I mean, it's good by giving blood. Sometimes we think that our blood is reduced. No, they say our blood will circulate more. It will generate more. Of course, we have to eat again healthy food and maintain the our physical balance. No, but the more we give, the more we get. That is what the gospel teachings also. No, so this man, he has given so far 160 times. No, Father Jerry Rosario is a great missionary. His blood has been used more than 67 times to help women in childbirth. Okay. This blood has been used. I mean, he may be going and giving in the blood bank. From there, sure, that particular group could be used for other people. There are people with rare blood. Very difficult to get. Maybe O positive. I think O positive is a rare blood group. Okay. There are other groups and complications, so it is very rare to get. So they are waiting. We will come and we will give. So this man says, his blood has been used more than 67 times to help women in childbirth. In childbirth, there's a lot of blood being leaked, being during operation or So again, he jokingly says that his blood flows through the veins of many babies. Okay, his blood, because he has given so much of blood. Sure, so much they have taken from him, and the blood when they give child, when they deliver the child, sure, the blood is in the child also, the mother, that's child to the child also. So he says. He jokingly says, okay, as it is given in the news, okay, he jokingly says that his blood flows through the veins, okay, through the veins of many babies. Certainly a rare honor, reward. I mean, not every priest does, okay, not every priest has got the chance or does this kind of act or a chance to do like him for a celibate Catholic priest, okay. There are good many priests also, they do it silently without much publicity. We can't. We don't know the data, how many are given, how many are not given. Since it came in the paper, even the bishop, other priest. So some examples are some Catholic, priests and religious bishops here in India who have come voluntarily and donated their organs and the blood. And when Rosario dies, that is what as I took from the news. Okay. It says, and when Reverend Father Rosario dies, many parts of his body will find new life in others. Maybe he has given already a will, okay, he is a free consent, to donate his organ, And when Father Rosario dies, many parts of his body will find new life in others, okay, as he has agreed, now say, and he has agreed to donate his organs and allow his body to be used by science and research purposes. You remember in the beginning of our class, I said the recently, bishop who died in Tiruchirappalli, dies of Trichy, in Tamil Nadu. He made a free will. Okay, his will was, after his death, the body to be used by St. John's Medical College. Okay, that was his will that he made. So after his death, the ambulance came from Bangalore, say from St. John's Medical College. They took his body, they kept him for 2 or 3 days, I think. They have made research students, they have made research, they are used for other research purpose, purely research, learning and knowledge purpose, and they brought back his body and he is being buried at the cathedral, okay? Being buried at the cathedral, the Trichy Bishop, okay? His guiding religious inspiration comes from Jesus, no? That's what he says, no? After my death, I'm going to donate so many of my organs to so many people, so many people will have life, no? My things will be in what you call other people, no? His guiding religious inspiration comes from Jesus, no? He is inspired again from the maxims and principles of Jesus, not by himself, no? The body broken for others, the blood shed for, this is the quote that he gives to the media, no? The body broken for others and the blood shed for others. Who? The Jesus, no? He takes, no, his example from, Jesus, okay? This is the beautiful examples that we have from Indian. There are good many fathers, good many sisters, even lay people, Catholic Church, but I have taken few of them, what I found in the internet, and what you call it, can make sure, okay? Now, what is organ transplantation? What do you think? What is organ transplantation? Is it just removing and keeping, or just operating from one human body and fixing it in another? What do you think? What is organ transplantation? You see, there are many organs, right? Heart, liver, lungs, kidney, pancreas. No? I don't know. Is it clear, the picture? Good. Organ transplantation is the surgical removal of a tissue, okay? Surgical removal of a tissue or organ from an individual and the placement of the organ in another individual for the purpose of improving the health of the recipient. Okay, you agree with me? Not simply removing, but it is what? Surgical. No, we do it in the operation theater, not at home. I can do it at my home. Take one blade, and then cut it. Take my organ and give it to another, and cut his body. Do it there at the room. No, you have to go to hospital. No, consult the physicians according to the guidelines. With the proper medicine at hand, everything. No, with the proper what you call technology in the hospitals, we do it. That is a surgical. No, officially we do it in the hospital with the proper tools, equipments. No, there is a surgical removal of a tissue or organ from one individual to another, for a placement of the organ in order that that individual, that person, one who receives may have his life. May have his life. Most transplant programs depend on cadaveric and living organ donation. Now, what is, I have underlined, what is cadaveric? What is cadaveric? Most transplant programs depend on what you call the cadaveric and living organ donation. While we are living, you can also donate. Also, while after your death, also you can donate. Now, what is cadaveric? Cadaveric comes from what you call what is cadaver? Cadaver, come on. A cadaver is a dead human body. A cadaver is a dead human body that is used by medical students, okay, or the physicians and other scientists to study the anatomy, the human parts, human organs, okay. Also identify the disease sites, which are the what you call places that are affected, after the death, the cause of death, or what you call to determine the cause of death, or what you call postmortem. They do it, how he died, what was the cause, whether he took poison, or whether he cut himself, his veins, throat, or he took some other thing, or hanged himself, with a rope. You don't know. So the postmortem, they open your body and they make survey detail, and they come to know which part, which organ is damaged, and how, what was the cause. Then they give the report to the civil, the police. This is it's not natural death. It's being killed. They could when you what you call put your hand and on the neck, kill somebody, your what you call your fingerprints may be there, and it's being forced. This part may be damaged, not outside, but internally there could be some sort of symptoms. Then the report comes. It's not a natural death, but he is being forced by somebody, or he is being murdered. Okay, there is a post-mortem. We have the detailed report. Okay, so cadaveric is the cadaver, the dead body, the dead body of human, that is used for medical students, physicians and other scientists to study the anatomy or identify the disease, wherever the disease, determine cause of death. Okay. However, we find that there is a scarcity of human organs, and many patients face death. And many patients face death because they have been waiting after registering the what you call organ center. They don't get the matching organ, or there are no donors. There's a scarcity for the organs. At the end, they have to die at their very earlier stage. Okay, at the very earlier stage, because today many are in need of transplanting organs due to many sicknesses. When I have some sickness, I have kidney failure. What I have to change my kidney, or my lifespan may be limited, or it could be come down. Organ donation and transplantation create a culture of life and love. Okay, it creates a culture of life and love to many people. Many religious and secular approaches justify organ donation and transplantation because it promotes another life. It saves another life. By donating, we only save another life, another human being who are in need of the organs. Okay, the Catholic Church also favors it. We will deal elaborately in the coming points the opinion of the Catholic Church with regard to organ donation and organ transplantation. Okay, the Catholic Church also in favor of organ donation, organ transplantation, especially in the encyclical Evangelium Vitae. I don't know how many of you so far read fully. I also have given you some what you call assignment. Evangelium Vitae, summarize the Evangelium Vitae, the whole document in one page. Okay, and send it to my email, or come to me personally, give it to me at my door. Okay, I'm just reminding you, all the what you call online students, I'm reminding that there is a homework. Homework is on Evangelium Vitae. Write a short summary on Evangelium Vitae, your reflections, your personal reflections, just one page, and give it to me personally. Okay. The Catholic Church also favors it, especially in the encyclical Evangelium Vitae, which states that it is an act of virtue and charity. Who wrote Evangelium Vitae? Who is author? John Paul II. So he inspires and he asks the people, the Catholic Church and the Catholics, to donate your organs, because it is an act of virtue of the charity. Okay, act of love. It adds more beauty. It adds more life in another person. After death, you can say, my heart is the other being, other person. When I die, I donate my heart, my liver, or my eye. I say, my eye has got still value, or my heart, even after my death, has got still value because Bala is using my heart, my eye. My heart, my eye is in Bala's body now, human body. Okay, so that is what Pope says. Okay, now there are different types of transplantation. Okay, there are different types of transplantation. Can you see? First, autograft. First is autograft. That is within the self. Not exactly organs, but changing of your what you call your skin from one place to another. Suppose imagine I have a what you call issue of a burnt. One of my what you call part of my body has been burnt. Then there is no skin. So they take the skin from other part where there is more skin, and they do the patchwork. They paste it there. They stitch it. So any changes taking place within the self. Okay, within the self. That is the first type of transplantation. It is autograft, or it is also known as syngenic. Okay, another word for autograft. So within the body, no, within the self, no, not with another person, no, within my own. Okay. Second is esograft. Second is esograft. But here I can donate my organs or my things to another who is identical twins. No, it could be my brother. Okay, we are twins in the family. Okay, we have the same blood cells or no, same no. So I can donate part of my my organs or my things to my brother. We are twins, not another person from another family, but the same family, my own brother or my own sister, but we are twins. That is why we said identical twins. That is called esograft. Or there is another word for esograft is isogenic. Another word for esograft is isogenic. Third one is allogenic. Sorry, allograft. Also, it is another word for allograft, homograft. Okay, another word for allograft, homograft. Here, same species. Okay, I mean within any human beings. No, I can receive from any human beings, not be identical, not be father and mother, but it could be from one family to another, one country. I mean within the human race. Okay, within the human family. The fourth is xenograft. There is also another word for that, aethrograft. Okay, another word for xenograft is aethrograft. I shall explain one by one. But you understood, no, by seeing the picture. However, I shall explain you. The first is autograft. No, syngenic is a transplanting of an organ or tissue in the same individual. No, in the same individual of from one part of the body to another. Okay, we are talking about the same self within myself. No, I can transplant from one place to another. Okay, that is called autograft. Second, esograft or isogenic is the transplantation of organs or tissues between two genetically identical individuals, such as twins. No, there are many families they are blessed with twins. No, there are also fathers and sisters in the in the congregation, in the diocese, in the religious. Both are there in the same. I have we have fathers from I mean they're originally from Sri Lanka. If you look at I confuse because both are same size, and sometimes when both wear specs, when they wear specs, it's very difficult to identify whether he is something. I usually even now I make mistake because there is no particular mark or something to identify. Long hair or less hair or fat or both are same. Very difficult. There are good many movies also. Where twins. Actors are twins. They are confused with their with their lovers, and they're a lot of fun. There are a lot of fun in the in the twins. So second is what you call esograft. That is it could be transplanted between the twins. Between the twins. And third is homograft or so-called allograft. That is between the human race, within the human beings. Not be twins, not be within the same family. It could be another family, another person, but it has to be human. Okay, it has to be human. And the fourth is aethrograft or so-called xenograft. That is from different species. Different species I have put, which means from animal I can take and I can place it in my body. That is from animal beings, from animal species to human species. Okay.